Jean-Baptiste Simeon Chardin was born on November 2, 1699, died December 6, 1779. He was an 18th-century French painter. He is considered a master of still life, and is also noted for his genre paintings which depict kitchen maids, children, and domestic activities. Carefully balanced composition, soft diffusion of light, and granular impasto characterize his work. Beginning in 1737, Chardin exhibited regularly at the Salon. He would prove to be a dedicated academician, regularly attending meetings for 50 years, and functioning successively as counsellor, treasurer, and secretary. Overseeing in 1761 the installation of Salon exhibitions. Chardin's work gained popularity through reproductive engravings of his genre paintings, which brought Chardin income in the form of what would now be called royalties. In 1744 he entered his second marriage, this time to Francoise Marguerite Pouget. The union brought a substantial improvement in Chardin's financial circumstances. In 1745 a daughter, Angelique-Francoise, was born, but she died in 1746. A child playing was a favorite subject of Chardin. He depicted an adolescent building a house of cards on at least 4 occasions. Chardin frequently painted replicas of his compositions, especially his genre paintings, nearly all of which exist in multiple versions which in many cases are virtually indistinguishable. In 1756 Chardin returned to the subject of the still life. In the 1770s his eyesight weakened and he took to painting in pastels, a medium in which he executed portraits of his wife and himself. His works in pastels are now highly valued. Chardin's extant paintings, which number about 200, are in many major museums, including the Louvre.
For more video, subscribe our channel and switch the bell button all. I hope you like the video. Please like and share. Thank for watching.